guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your TikTok account from your contact. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, I'm going to open my TikTok application and we're going to open the TikTok setting and privacy. Go to your profile first, and then you have to click on these three lines on the top right and select the settings and privacy. Okay, and you have to go to the privacy setting, and if you want to hide your TikTok account from your contact, you can select suggest your account to contact or to others, and you have to turn off them all like this, so the TikTok won't suggest your account to your contact. And you can also turn off the sync contact on TikTok. You can select this option and you have to turn off the sync contact. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to hide our TikTok account from our contact. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.